Do you work from home?
No, I work at an office.
Where do you live?
I live just outside of the city.
How often do you use your mobile phone?
I use my mobile phone every day.
Do you like taking pictures with your phone?
Yes, I enjoy taking pictures.
Are you going to work today?
Yes, I'll be working from the office.
How do you commute to work?
I take the bus.
What brand is your phone?
My phone is a Oppo.
Are you having lunch with anyone?
Yes, I am having lunch with a colleague.
What will you have for dinner?
I am thinking of getting a salad.
Do you have plans after work?
Yes, I'm going to the gym.
What movie are you going to see?
I am seeing the latest superhero film.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I try to cook most nights.
What's your favorite dish to prepare?
I love making stir-fry vegetables.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it black with a little bit of sugar.
What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking in the mountains.
How often do you check your email?
Several times of the day.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting.
What's your favorite social media platform?
Spend most of my time on Facebook.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Do you have a lot of work to do this week?
Yes, it's going to be a busy week.
How do you usually spend your evening?
I usually spend my evening reading or watching TV.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading science fiction.
What's for dinner tonight?
I'm planning to make spaghetti.
Do you need to buy groceries?
Yes, I'll stop by the store on my way home.
What do you do to relax?
I enjoy going for walks.
Are you traveling anywhere soon?
Yes, I'm visiting family next month.
What do you usually do on the weekends?
I like to catch up with friends and relax.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like listening to jazz.
Did you exercise this morning?
No, I plan to exercise after work.
Are you going out tonight?
Yes, I'm going to the movie.